Dave, stop! Do me a favor. Read that to me. I have to make sure I'm not going crazy here.
2 authentic scorpion belt buckles for sale, price negotiable. That's unbelievable. But wait a minute, there's no phone number, just an address.
We need to check it out today.
We can go when I get off work. Okay, we can go right now.
I don't get it. Where could it be?
I don't know. We've been up and down Devonshire like 9 times, man. There's no 45 and a half.
Well, it's got to be around here somewhere. Look at the ad.
I know what the ad says, Dan, but it's not here.
Hey, look.
Was that there the whole time?
I don't know, but it's there now. Excuse me, sir. We're here about the ad.
The one in this morning's paper? Show him, Dan.
So these must be the buckles. Can we try them on?
I think that means yes.
Does that mean yes?
We're just gonna try them on, okay? Right. Oh, damn.
Yes!
Scorpion belt buckle.
These are awesome!
Scorpion belt buckle. Scorpion belt buckle. Scorpion
Yes.
belt buckle. Yeah.
Oh. Alright. So how much do you want for them? Because the ad said the price was negotiable.
How about $10 a piece?
Are you trying to rip the guy off?
No, man, that's how you negotiate. You gotta start off small and wait for the seller to raise the price on you. Just keep compromising a little bit at a time. Like, he'll keep raising our price, we'll keep lowering his. Eventually we'll find a place where we can meet in the middle, we'll make a deal, everyone will be happy,
Right.
We'll walk away with our belt buckles,
Right.
life will be perfect, we'll dance all night,
Absolutely.
everything will be great.
Yes.
Eventually, you know, everyone will think that we're the coolest people in the whole world.
Sir. Where's he going?
Wait, where are you going?
We haven't reached a deal yet. Dan! Dan, no! No, this isn't fair. We just got our scorpion belt buckles. We were gonna dance all night.
Dave, we still can.
Dan? But you're dead.
I'll never be dead. I'll always still be alive, right here.